I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. It's usually wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, this my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect size for another one, and you and I believe everyone talks to me.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am your lovely host here, Gigi Faison. And guys, I welcome you all into my home once again. In today's video, it is going to be amazing because I'm going to take you around my home and share with you how I am creating floral arrangements, vignettes, and maybe even a living room refresh for the spring. Spring has sprung, and I am so excited for this warmer weather. So, guys, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Get yourself a snack, sit back and relax. I want you guys to get some motivation, some inspiration, and some ideas as to how you too can sprinkle just a little spring throughout your home.
There's no tears, this my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect size for another one, and you and I believe everyone talk to me. If I like you more than once, you are personal.
So, guys, on this first arrangement, which is right at the first landing, I have wisteria bushes, carnations, peonies, and just some greenery picks that I've included into this space here, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's working well with this mirrored vase. And so I'm just going to allow you guys just to watch me work, and I'll come back in a little bit later and explain to you the next look.
Wanted somebody to help me evermore. Can you heal me from the dark of my past? Can you take me higher side? Can you heal me from the dark of my past? Can you take me higher side? Wish I got you on my back. She wonder.
So guys, the second arrangement here is up on a console table at the top of my stairs. This beautiful gold mosaic vase with these lovely roses of yellows and pinks. And then over on the side, here's this wreath that I've placed on my mirror with the swag on top. Now this set I purchased from a few years ago, maybe last year or year before, I don't quite remember, but I know it was the end of season when they had it marked down really, really good. And guys, again, that's how you want to shop. End of season, get those things and save them for the following year. You will thank me for it later. You will save a lot of money by shopping off season. This next arrangement here I've shared with you guys before, my front entryway, and here's another one of those beautiful mosaic vases. I do love these because you can either dress them up or dress them down, however you choose to. So guys, just keep watching and enjoying. All right, guys, what you see here is my after Christmas refresh. So I need to spring a little spring into this space. Not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. So just stick around. If you notice in my floral arrangements and the vases, I had like a pink section, and then over in the corner there you see the white arrangements. I've been playing around with it. Not sure what I'm going to do here, but um, I'm going to bring spring into my living room space. Now, I shared in an earlier video my coffee table arrangement, or early in this video, I shared with you my coffee table arrangement, but I'm back in here to spring a little spring into this space. All right, guys, keep watching. I hope you will enjoy.
아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진 걸까 따뜻한 모닝커피의 향기가 오늘 하루도 날 기대하게 만드는 걸 우리 오늘은 또 어떻게 지낼까 너를 바라만 보고 있어도 좋아 아무 말도 하지 않아도 난 좋아 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 모든 걸 다 알 것 같아 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔 난 걱정이 돼 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까 봐 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해 오늘은 우리 기다렸던 데이트 날이야 손을 잡아줘 오늘 데이트도 멋졌어 너도 좋았어 내일은 또 어떤 곳을 너와 함께 가볼까 너와 함께 먹고 싶었던 명동 길거리 음식 내일 그걸 먹으러 가볼까 너와 마주 앉은 지금이 난 좋아 너의 마음도 알 것 같아 모두가 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 마음을 들킬 것 같아 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔 난 걱정이 돼 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까 봐 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해 오늘은 우리 기다렸던 데이트 날이야 손을 잡아줘 꼭 끌어안아줘 내가 더 세게 널 끌어안을게 네가 너무 좋아 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔 난 걱정이 돼 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까 봐 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해 오늘은 우리 기다렸던 데이트 날이야 손을 잡아줘
So guys, if you're interested in the collection that I used in those mosaic vases, they are by the Miss Pen collection from Amazon. 14-piece set, 38 inches in height. Tall artificial greeneries, perfect for spring decor. Eucalyptus leaves, faux reed maple leaves. And guys, this can be used in wedding bouquets or centerpieces or even your home accessories as I have used here. And I will link this in my description box below. So guys, this is a final look of my living room, and next I will take you over into my family room that you can see a little vignette that I've created there. Beautiful vase, beautiful arrangement, and then that will be it for this video. I hope that you have found some inspiration, some motivation, some ideas. I hope I have shared something that you can take and use. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new, please feel welcome to hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice. Okay, guys, this is our final stop. We're over my family room where I have on my little corner console table. I have this mother of pearl vase that I purchased from Ross, the mother of pearl box that I've added some florals in, these little mother of pearl ornate balls that I have sitting on top of this mother of pearl turntable. And the turntable I purchased from Home Goods Store. The ornate balls I purchased from Burlington. And the florals are just some beautiful tulips and roses and dogwood branches. And this creates this look here. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Now this last spot is my Easter decoration that I had on my coffee table that I did not get around to sharing before Easter, but this is just a look of how my family room coffee table was styled for the Easter holiday. Stay safe, guys. Be blessed, and until the next video.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 오아시스